Welcome to this Android channel, and this is a true or false video. The iPhone is better than Android. True or false? Here's the thing, okay? Because you always get these people that will come with their iPhones and say, "Oh, well, I got an iPhone, so much better than what Android has." You know, this is much more of a personal taste than anything else. Honestly, I've owned 3 iPhones. I'm now at my second Android phone. I can tell you one thing. Both systems are just amazing. Both systems are great to use. iPhones are great. I've always been happy with the iPhones I had. Um, and Android is great. I've always been happy with my Android phones. The thing is, what is making people think one is better than the other is really a lot more, has a lot more to do with the perception, if you want. I've seen somebody post on a Facebook group a question of, well, should I get an iPhone or should I get, a Samsung Galaxy phone? What do you guys think? And of course, there's it was like split. Half of the people saying, "Oh, well, Samsung Galaxy phones are the best." The other one, "Oh, iPhones much better." And one comment that was kind of interesting, somebody said, "Oh, well, on iPhones it doesn't crash as often as Android." I'm sorry, I've had 3 iPhones. They crash as often, if not more, than Android, and my Android phone doesn't crash. I'm sorry, it's not the case. So this is something that people think is happening. The other thing they said, well, there's no exploding batteries. You know, iPhones could be plagued with exploding batteries if, for some reason, one of their manufacturers of the battery would maybe do something wrong. It's sad. It happened, yes, and it doesn't mean that the phones from a certain manufacturer are necessarily less reliable than others. For the reliability of the phones themselves, actually, there's um, a survey out there that actually looked at iPhones and Android phones and tend to say that iPhones have a higher failure rate than many Android phones, which is kind of interesting. Now, I've never had an iPhone, fail on me, but it's something that I think is, like I say, a very personal perception of what's better or not. And personally, I think that if you have an Android phone and you're happy, it's cool. If you have an iPhone and you're happy, it's cool. And you know, it's simply whatever you like, and that's it. Honestly, none is better than the other. It's 2 operating systems, 2 phones that are just amazing. Whatever Android phone you've got, and whatever iPhone you've got, they're great phones, anyways. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.